And with that said, I have with me Lieutenant Colonel Floyd J. Carter and Mrs. Autherine Carter. They are both here in the studio with me today. They have been faithful members of Our Lady of Grace Parish for over 50 years. Their children, Floyd Jr. and Rosalind, are graduates of Our Lady of Grace School. They have been very successful in their careers. Through their marriages, they have blessed the family with 6 children, grandchildren, that is. Colonel Carter was born in Yorktown, Virginia, a graduate of York County Training School, Mondale Institute, and New York Institute of Technology. Autherine Johnson was born in Mobile, Alabama. She attended Catholic Grammar School and graduated in 1942 from Heart of Mary High School. World War II was in progress, so Autherine went for training in sheet metal repair with the Tuskegee Army Aircraft Maintenance Unit. Floyd and Autherine met at the Tuskegee Army Air Base, and they were married there in 1945. In 1947, the family of 4 made their home in New York City. Autherine continued her education and other endeavors, and in 1976 earned a Bachelor of Science degree in accounting from Fordham University. I say to you both, welcome to the Total Faith Show. Thank you for being my guests, Lieutenant Colonel Carter and Autherine, his beloved wife. You might want to say, Autherine, anything you want to say? Anything.
Well, I'm not much of a speaker.
I know.
Then all of a sudden, I think I want to, then I'll chat with him. So if I made a mistake, he'll let me know.
Now that's a good wife.
We survive on this and trust.
Yes.
Trust,
And
that's
we
right.
taught our children.
Tell the camera.
We
Tell
taught
them.
our children to do the right thing. We taught our children to go to school and respect.
Yes.
Have respect for themselves and their family.